Hello everyone. Today I'll be going over how I add UVs to pixel art. This adds detail to pixel art by allowing light to react to it. First you create a blank project and open up a new level. I'll just do basic. After that, I would create a new folder and just call it textures, and another folder mats for materials. Now in Photoshop, this is a UV map of sort of a pyramid. I'll explain how this works a little bit later, but basically I'm going to put this UV map onto this blank orange box. This is all 32 by 32, yep, 32 by 32. After you exported them as PNGs and dragged them into Unreal, you have to apply Paper 2D texture settings to both, and open up UV test, and go to MIPGen settings, and turn it off, so it doesn't do MIP maps. That basically means it won't lose detail the further away you are, basically. And do the same in UV colors, and turn the texture group into 2D pixels unfiltered. That gets rid of the blurriness that it gets. After you have done that, go to the matte folder and create a new material. I'm going to call it test matte. Open it up. Now hold T and click twice to create two texture samples. Plug one into base color and one into normal, and select the orange UV test as base color and UV colors as the normal, and click apply. Now when you have done that, you can create a plane and then bring it to you and rotate it how you want. I've got one here, and simply place the matte onto the plane, and voila. But there is one thing wrong with this. The sun is pointing the opposite way to where the light looks like it's reflecting. So to fix that, we go into UV colors again and search for flip, and flip the green channel. That basically reverses the UVs. Unreal doesn't like UV sometimes, so it likes to reverse them. But that fixes it. Now the light reflects where it's supposed to. I will now go over the process of creating one of these textures. So I've opened up a new Photoshop project, which is 32 by 32, and I've just called it test. I'm going to make a wall with these gaps in it, so I can display how you can make the light react to it. I'll be back once I'm done. This is the wall I made. So this light grey bit are the bits that are sticking out, and the black is what I want to look like it's inside. So to do that, I'm going to create a copy of this. So I'm going to save this as a copy. I'm going to be calling it test UV. Oh god. UV. Save that. And this is when the magic happens. So looking at this UV colors, you can see that every side has a different shade, and there's a reason for that. Basically, the way UV maps work is that this color here is the most right angle of the UV, and this color here is the most left angle, then this is top, this is bottom, and then everything in between gradually brings it so it looks like it's just flat, if that makes any sense. I'm not the best artist in the world, so that's the best description I can give you. Now, using that logic, you can figure out where colors go. So on this edge here, I will make this color here, because that is the side. That is the sharpest angle of right. So this will be going on every single one of these at that side. And then this side will go on this side. So do you understand what's going on here? So left side, right side, right side. Now, after you've done all that, we need to get the flat color, which is this one in the center, and fill in everything else as that. Basically, this color doesn't react to light. Export them into a PNG and then import them to Unreal and do all of the settings that we did earlier. Now, you can use the material you had before and just swap this. So I'm going to swap the orange into that and the UV map into that and apply. Now hopefully when I exit, oh, it's the plane's the wrong way, but it still works. So as you can see, yeah, actually this won't work because the colors aren't up and down. Sorry about that. But yeah, now as you can see, it's reacting to the light and it doesn't look just flat, because when the sun is facing the right side is lit up, the left side's dark, creates this cool effect. If you liked the video or learnt something new, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. Thanks for watching. See ya!